it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Simple Stamping Saturday will be back later on today, but I just wanted to come on to let you know that I have got Stamping Seal and Stamping Seal Plus to play with. There's two things I'm doing today for this video. A, to tell you about a little experiment I'm running. I have made these little boxes. They're 3 by 3. I've deliberately made them now because we've had some slightly wet weather, to say the least, and it's now getting a bit warm, so the humidity is rising, and humidity can be a bit of an issue with glue. It's one of the reasons that a lot of people didn't like snail. So I have made these boxes. I made them earlier today, which is yesterday in your world, or when you're seeing this it would be yesterday. And I'm going to be back hopefully on Tuesday with a review to see how they've stood up. They are full boxes, so they've got lids and bases. Snail, which is retired. Glue, so our multi-purpose liquid adhesive. Tear and tape, Seal and Seal Plus. Seal is supposed to be the replacement for snail, but better. And Seal Plus is supposed to be the replacement for Fast Fuse, but better. So I'm going to do a review. Basically, I'm going to see if I can rip them to pieces and see whether they rip to pieces easily or not. But as I say, I want to just leave them to settle for a bit. So that's the first thing that I wanted to talk to you about today. The next thing I'm really excited about. I have chopped up all my retired designer series paper, and I popped them all into cellophane bags. I need to just take the ripcord off. I hate taking the ripcord off because it sticks to everything, but that's what I need to do next. I'm going to be selling these in packs of 100, which is 2 of these bags. They are a real mishmash, and these are all what I would call normal papers. We've got Halloween, we've got Valentine's, we've got Christmas. All sorts of things are in here. They date back, some of them date back 4 or 5 years, so it's a real mishmash. I've put the lighter weight papers in as ordinary, although they technically are specialty paper, but I put them in as ordinary papers, so it's a real mix. And as I say, you get 2 packs, UK addresses only. The cost is going to be £10 posted, and post is second class large letter post. They will come with the seal sealed and wrapped in ribbon. I've got certainly 10, but it's probably nearer 15 packs of these. And as I say, that will be £10 posted for 100 sheets. UK addresses only. I have got a few, and they will be added probably sometime during today. Specialty papers. So this is anything that has got any form of special treatment. So we've got foil, we've got flocking, we've got, so this is actually foil card, we've got foiling, all sorts, vellum, all sorts of papers that, as I say, date back about 5 years, maybe 4. So it's a real mishmash. Some of them are more recent than others, and some of them are a little older. And again, it's 100 sheets. These will be added as soon as I can get these counted. I haven't finished yet, so these are what I'm counting at the moment. It's at least 100 sheets for both. These are going to be £12 posted. So if you want the specialties, these are £12. If you want the ordinary, they're £10 posted. I've got a limit on the number, so as soon as they're gone, they're gone. These I think I'll be adding hopefully later today, so do check back, and it will all be in the post that is immediately below, linked immediately below here. So if you would like any of my retired designer series paper, you don't get to choose what sheets you have, it's just a real pick and mix. But as I say, lots and lots of variety. Some are colour families, some are actual designer, fully patterned designer series paper. But I have got some that are just the colour family ones. Some of the colour families are retired, all sorts. So if you're interested in those, do go and have a look. Do remember, if you don't already subscribe, please do subscribe by clicking the button in the bottom right hand corner. And if you've enjoyed this video and found it interesting, please give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much indeed, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!